professional development.
It will make you more competitive in the job market. With the credentials and expertise gained from this course, you'll stand out to potential employers. You'll be able to demonstrate your commitment to continuous learning and professional growth.
It's a great investment in your future. The time and effort you put into this course will pay off in the long run. You'll gain not only knowledge but also the confidence to pursue your career goals with determination and enthusiasm.
Enroll now and open doors to new opportunities. Don't wait to take the next step in your career. By signing up today, you're making a commitment to your future success and unlocking a world of possibilities.
Take your career to the next level. With the skills and knowledge you gain from this course, you'll be ready to tackle new challenges and achieve your professional aspirations. The future is bright, and it starts with the decision you make today. Section 5: AI in Action, Real-World Applications You Can Build. In this section, we will explore the fascinating world of AI and how you can leverage it to create impactful projects.
You will build real-world AI applications that can solve everyday problems and enhance user experiences. These projects are designed to be both challenging and rewarding, pushing you to apply what you've learned in practical scenarios.
For instance, you could develop a movie recommendation system that uses AI to suggest films based on user preferences and viewing history. This kind of application not only showcases your technical skills, but also your ability to create user-centric solutions.
Or you might build a simple chatbot that can handle customer inquiries, providing instant responses and improving customer satisfaction. Chatbots are increasingly becoming a staple in customer service, and your ability to create one will be highly valued.
These projects will solidify your learning by giving you hands-on experience. You'll move beyond theory and see how AI can be applied in real-world contexts, making your knowledge more robust and practical.
You will gain practical experience that is crucial for your development as an AI engineer. Working on these projects will help you understand the nuances of AI implementation and prepare you for real-world challenges.
You can showcase these projects to potential employers, demonstrating your ability to tackle complex problems and deliver effective solutions. This will significantly enhance your portfolio and increase your employability.
The possibilities with AI are endless. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming industries and creating new opportunities. By mastering these skills, you position yourself at the forefront of technological innovation.
Start your AI journey today. There's no better time to dive into the world of AI and begin building applications that can make a difference.
Enroll now in our one-day AI engineering course. This course is designed to give you a comprehensive introduction to AI and equip you with the skills needed to start building your own projects.
Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Join us and take the first step towards becoming an AI expert. Your future in AI starts here.